The Advanced Manufacturing Center at the Stafford campus hosted a manufacturing forum organized by the Intercontinental Chamber of Commerce.
We're the only chamber with 4 offices in Houston, the Woodlands, North Houston Galleria, and Stafford. We're very proud to become the first official chamber for the city of Stafford. We also work with 20 countries abroad. So we have the ability to focus on things locally, like today's manufacturing forum, and we try to focus on a micro project, I guess, on industry specific, like a manufacturing forum, which is big to Stafford. Manufacturing is a big pillar for this area and this community. So as well as HCC, Houston Community College being one of our partners, the facility that we're at today, a great new facility that they have created to focus and develop further manufacturing, which is very strong in Houston and very important pillar to the Stafford community.
Stafford's Mayor Pro Tem, A.J. Honore, welcomes the Chamber's partnership.
The manufacturing forum that we're having here today at Houston Community College is extremely important for the city of Stafford. The city of Stafford historically has relied on manufacturing as a strong base, not only for employment but of income to support the services that we offer here for our citizens as well as other businesses. So this forum is going to help our manufacturers understand technology, what technology can do to really enhance how they operate their facilities and their businesses, and where things are going at in the future for manufacturers. For HCC and the business community, job creation is one of the most important things that education can do. And HCC is all about educating. And manufacturing being a key component of what we have here in the city of Stafford, our students are looking for ways where they can get engaged in manufacturing. So that partnership between HCC and the local manufacturers is extremely important. Their role in this forum is going to help consolidate those efforts.
The forum also gave the Advanced Manufacturing Center of Excellence the opportunity to showcase its resources.
Sponsorship of this event is a great opportunity for the COE. It gives us the opportunity to get in front of industry and provide them a view of what facilities we have open to their training needs. The partnerships within industry are very important for HCC because it allows us to create those pathways that allow our students to transition from student to employer. And then also gives industry that resource that they need for incumbent worker training or upskill training that they may have for their industry needs.
Keynote speaker Ulf Schneider emphasizes how much the international business community looks to America for innovation in worker training.
This is really a very important question, in particular when we talk about Russia. Russia is a well-developing country. However, you see that many Western management techniques are not implemented yet. However, people are very keen. When you hire managers, they really would like to become promoted, they would like to go ahead, and they would like to do good business, they would like to contribute. However, they very often also feel obstacles, and it is very important that you give them the proper education and the proper development plan. And therefore, many of the Western investors in Russia and the neighboring countries, they even set up their own educational centers, like internal academies within their firms, or they cooperate with local universities. So this is a very popular model and a very successful one.
Panelist Chris Parsons hopes to see American business keep on the forefront of partnerships with higher education.
Well, it's a two-way street. I mean, funny enough, I've just come off a strategy review with HPE senior staff for the last few days, and that's one of the things that we've actually earmarked to say we have to do more of. We have to go into the colleges and actually talk to the colleges about some of the things we are doing, some of the things that are our problems. And what I'm finding, we're not doing that enough as senior executives in industry, because we're working with the colleges, and my experience of working with colleges in Europe, you don't have the college environment that's tied up with the day-to-day constraints of market forces, satisfying shareholders. There's a lot more freedom of thought. So I feel we need to engage more with the colleges, get colleges engaged with some of the problems we have today, developing the junior executives, developing the engineers of tomorrow. It's a two-way street, and I see that we as executives should be doing more with the colleges and encouraging our colleges to get more involved with some of the aspects that are the day-to-day. So I think this is a great opportunity for me, as myself, not from a network point of view, but understand how I can make that link.
For more information on the Intercontinental Chamber of Commerce, visit houstonicc.org. For more information about the Advanced Manufacturing Center of Excellence, visit www.hccs.edu. For SME TV, I'm Stacy Hawkins.